Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Here again, another video. As you guys saw last week, the way we ended it, I showed you guys a little clip of what we had going on. So now that we got this video going, I guess I'm gonna have to show you guys what we're doing. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and show what we got going on. You guys saw last clip's video, or the last clip of the video from last week. I showed you guys this. This is a spacer for the steering. You already drilled the hole out?
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh damn. All right, well, check it out. We got the hub, we got a spacer, and then we got the steering wheel. Check it out. Bam. Check that out. All chrome. Sheesh. Tell. Bam, more chrome. Look at that.
Yeah, more chrome.
Okay, you turn around again. All right, that's that. That's what we're gonna be putting on the flat top. We're gonna be switching out that old steering wheel it has for this one. We just had to drill out a couple holes on this spacer, made them a little bigger to fit the actual hub.
Custom.
Yeah, we had to make it adapt to the hub to make it work to this steering wheel. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, so it was a process, but we got it going. Now I just gotta go buy longer bolts that I need to make everything work together like a puzzle, and should be it. It's another thing we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be making the steering wheel tilt a little bit more. I know a lot of people ask about how my brother did it to the orange one to make it tilt more. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Right here is tilt down all the way. It can still tilt down even more. Honestly, I'm not sure how to do it. My brother's the one that did it, so once we do that, I'll record him doing it, and he'll explain to you guys how he did that exactly. That way, it'll help you guys out. That way, whoever wants to tilt it more, you can. And we're gonna be knocking out the step 2, because as you can see here, no step. I like the way it looks, nice and clean. So now we're gonna be removing this big ugly step here. I don't need it. Just like on this one, it had steps on this one, we took those off. That one had steps, we took those off. My brother also had like a toolbox in his frame, we took that off. We like to clean up the frames, make them look nice and clean. So I think that's all we're doing today. Removing that, doing the steering wheel, and doing the tilt. And that should be it for today. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's get started with the project. Give you a quick cold start. ¿Y que no prenda, George?
That sucks.
We're gonna move it over to the shade, guys, and then we're gonna get the compressor started so that we can take off the toolbox with the air gun, make our life a little easier. That toolbox is a little ugly.
Alright then guys, we finally got that big ass toolbox out. As you can see how big it was between the frame. Took up a lot of frame. Real quick, we just took it off, so right now we're gonna scrape everything off. All the little excess shit that stays on there, and then we're gonna clean it up, put the bolts back in, and then we're gonna just do a quick black. That way it's not that ugly ass color. So I'll show you when it's done. Alright guys, so we got the box off. We scraped as much as we can off. Right now it's still drying because we just sprayed it, but that's how it looks. Like, not the best, but it's better than what it was. But yeah guys, that's how it looks now.
Check it out, guys. We come to find out that this truck already came with that custom hub, with the small hub, so you can fit a smaller steering wheel. I mean, we're still gonna change it out because the one we have, it's cleaner, and I think it's like smoothed out. It's not like stepped up like this one, so I think it looks cleaner. But I just wanted to point that out. That's awesome. Alrighty, guys. I got the covers off. This thing, the cover here, it just has 2 bolts. This one, and it has 2 here,
and then this one, the thing was broken, so that's why I didn't take the bolts off, but that's fine because we're gonna put the chrome one here right now. It's just a stock plastic one, black one or whatever. Anyways, and then you take the cover that goes right here. It just has clips here, has these 2 bolts, this one and this one. It unclips and it slides out. You could just slide it out, put it to the side. Now what we have to take off is this thing right here. This is what goes up and down. Right now it stops because it has a stop inside of it. You can't really see it. I have to take it apart, but to take it off, it has a pin in here. You got something on this side, shove it in there, hammer the little pin out, and then that's loose. And then it has this bolt right here, and the little, let's see what I can you see it, the little the light is not that good, but the bolt is in there right there. I don't know if you can see it, but you take this bolt off and this thing should slide out. Once you slide it out, I'll show you what else we got to do. This spring goes behind this. You can take it off, that way it doesn't have tension. You have to keep prying on it and stuff. It's up to you, or push the pedal and adjust this. When you loosen this bolt, see, you loosen this bolt right here, take the pin out. I took the pin out already. I hit it through here, came out this way. This is loose. Okay, you have to telescope or whatever the hell. You lift this up, you know, and then that way you can have room to take the bolt out. You know, once you take the bolt out, let me get something, push it out so you can see. Take the bolt out. Oh yeah, don't forget to take the little cable thing off, because it's attached to the spring. So you lift it up. Oh, there it goes. Take the bolt out. This should come off somehow. There it goes. It's hard to do with 2 hands. I mean, with 1 hand. Hold on. Either way, let me check it out, guys. I can't do it with 1 hand, but it's loose now. It just come off. All right, guys, I got it out. Like I said, it comes out from the top. You just gotta hold this part up, and then kind of wiggle it out of there, kind of a little angled out, and it comes out. Like I said, you gotta kind of wiggle it. All right. This is one of the stops on the bottom. This is a stop for so that it doesn't go past a certain way. So when it goes like to there or something, when you go up, to go down, when it goes down, the reason it stops is because this compresses and it has that stop inside of there. So either you got to figure out how to take this off, the spring out. If you want to keep it with the spring, take it out, take that plastic, cut it out, and then put the spring back on it, and then that way it still springs by itself. We don't care for that. We just kind of just cut the spring and the plastic thing, and then we just kind of adjust it to where we want it, you know, that way it doesn't fight us. So pretty much what I'm gonna do right now is just cut this, take the plastic, cut the plastic out, and then shove just the little actuator thing or little shock back in, bolts everything back up, and then it should go down, as you know, as far as we want it. If you can see, look how far it'll go down now. You know, look how far. That's awesome. You know, before it was like to there, but now it goes all like that much. Alrighty, guys. As you can see, I cut the spring and the stop. Again, do not take this one off, the bottom one, because that's the one that stops it from going all the way up. Or if you have a bigger steering wheel and you go all the way up, it's gonna hit your dash if you take the stop off. That way it'll stop like normal, like it's supposed to. Now on the inner one, like I said, you take the spring off and you take the stop off, and that way this can compress all the way down. Instead of stopping here, it'll go more, so it'll go further down. I'll show you guys once that's done. We got the I mean, I still got to put everything together. I just wanted to show you guys. Right now, there it goes. It's back in there. Like I said, and that's how it looks. You know, steering wheel will be like right here. I don't know if you can, if the angle makes it justice, but check it out. You know what I mean? Either way, we'll show you how it looks once it's back together. Alrighty, so we got pretty much put together. Just gotta put the bolts down there. This thing got back up. You have to kind of notch it a little bit here, nothing too crazy. Where we at? Right here on the sides, because it kind of hits a little bit. It might not. I didn't notch it on my other on my truck, on the orange one. We have to notch it on this one for some reason. Also on the bottom piece, we have to cut a little bit. Don't mind the cuts. We didn't do them as clean because we're gonna buy the chrome covers, and that one we'll tape it up and do it. I did it with the grinder instead of with a little cutter or something. So either way, you can't see it when it's on there. It doesn't. Look, let me show you guys real quick. Once it's on there, it doesn't look bad. Like I said, you can't really tell. Pretty much that's how that is. So I'm gonna put it together, top cover on top, that one, bolt everything down, everything. Take this hub off. This is a good hub, it works, but like I said, we got a newer one. It looks cleaner and it's smoother. This is kind of like a stepped hub. Ours is like curved, and so we're gonna change it out and then throw the steering wheel and everything together, man.
All right, guys, I'm on my way to Home Depot to get some screws for the hub and for the spacer and everything else. I just need a couple bolts I need to get. So let's head out to Home Depot, get what we need, and start the process on the steering wheel. My brother's taking everything apart at the moment while I go to Home Depot. So I guess I'll see you guys when I get back. Alright guys, got all the screws I needed. Hopefully they work. We'll find out. Otherwise I have to make another trip back to the Home Depot. Either way, let's get going back to the yard and get this steering wheel installed. Alright guys, well, my brother's inside to finish up the steering wheel. My brother George and my dad took off the step. I don't know if they showed you guys that. And I'm gonna change out these headlights because these are bright. I just don't really like them. Yeah, I just don't really like them. And these are stock, so they're yellow as hell. And we got my brother George's old Maxima headlights here. These are bright as hell, and he has all four of them. So what we're gonna do, it's a quick thing, just plug and play. So we're gonna switch these out really quick. So I just want to show you the before and then the after. So that's before, and I'll show you guys the after in a bit.
Alrighty guys, this is the final product. Check it out. Like I said, we still got to get so much chrome, but that's how it looks. See if we can get a better view. Lit. See, tilted. See, tilted. Hell yeah. And it's all chrome. Now it's just lacking chrome. It needs more chrome to make it look cooler, but right now that's how it is. See, you just drive it like a boss. Cool. And yeah, pretty much the way you took it off, you just put it back together the way it was, and you should be good. Voila guys, let us know what you think. I'm sure the guys they're doing other stuff on the outside. Let me see if I can. Yeah, they're doing other stuff on the outside. Damn, where did I leave my hat? They're doing things on the outside of the truck, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna put all this video together. So there's gonna be more stuff on this one. Stay tuned for that. Y'all should know by now what's going on. But that's pretty much tilt and the install of a steering wheel. The steering wheel part is pretty straightforward. It's the hub, spacer, adapter, and then the steering wheel. But for right now, that's how you tilt it. And yeah, man, let us know what you think in the comments below.
All right, guys. All right, well, we're done with the project for today. We changed out the headlights, got them LEDs, Maximus. Those are from my brother George's old ones, but since he got that one-piece headlight now, he had these for spare. Throw those on, looks a lot better, and they're bright, low beam and high beam. Let me see what else we do. Oh, the step. I guess I gotta show you that we removed the step. So now the frame's cleaned up. Need to cut this damn grass. Then we got this side over here. Like I said, the truck is really dirty. Need to wash it. There you go. Took the step off, cleaned it, and threw some paint on it, make it look a little better. I sprayed the other side too to make it match. But either way, there it is. Looks a lot better, in my opinion. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. Awesome. And then moving on to the inside, the steering wheel. Got it all finished up. My brother finished it up while we're doing other stuff. Go ahead and show you guys the inside now. There it is. I don't want to touch it. Oh, he left it sideways. He left my brother moved the truck, he left it sideways, but either way, there it is. Gotta remove that off the window. But that's that. You left it sideways. Nice job. That's that.
Maybe Junior put it on sideways, not me.
Well, guys, there it is. Did the headlights, got the steering wheel on. My brother still got it tilt more. Took the step off, cleaned up the frame a little bit. So that's that. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up if you like the way it turned out. Alright guys, well, we're done for today. We finished what we had to do. The steering wheel, the step, and honestly I didn't remember what else we were supposed to do, but we knocked out the headlights too. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys on the next video. We got some more stuff here that we're gonna be doing to the truck. So stay tuned for next week for that video. And I think that's about it. See you guys later.